Wow, that one's broken. These are the elevators at the Holiday Inn, downtown Indianapolis. We got some KONEs. That one's broken. Oh, the buttons got replaced. So, I don't know if you heard me or not. Holiday Inn, downtown Indianapolis.
Next floor. Going down.
Well, it looks like the buttons got replaced. I wonder when that happened. I think these got a cab upgrade as well. And this used to be a Comfort Suites, but it quite recently became a Holiday Inn. Not to be confused with the next door Holiday Inn Express and Suites. There's a Holiday Inn Express next door to this one.
Going up.
Let's take it back up to 6.
Next floor. Going down.
Door close button works. I think these had KSS 500 at one point. Except they must have came in and replaced the buttons with KSS 140. I like KSS 140.
Ground floor.
And I like that voice too.
Going up.
There it goes. That'll be it.